In today's video, I am going to show how you guys can create an AI influencer where you can change the pose of your influencer. You can make her smile, and can even generate videos for your AI influencer, all in one place only. As this AI tool is designed to create the influencers, so each and everything is customizable here. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. Okay? The tool that I'm talking about is called Synthlife. This is an all-in-one AI tool, and it's also very easy to use. You will get the tool link in the description. First of all, we have to log in with Gmail, or you can even join using Discord. So to create the face of our AI influencer, and to create a good one, you have to give it some celebrity names. Let's make a type like Ariana Grande, and the hair color will be blonde, and hit the update button. Now this will start creating the face of your influencer. Okay? So this is the final output. If you don't like this image and you want to change it, you can again click on the update button, and this will regenerate the face of your influencer. You might be thinking that it is looking like a cartoonish, but don't worry about that. We're going to fix this later. Now the next process is to create the images. To create the images, you have to choose the Photo Studio option under Create Images. Here we have different options like Auto Image, Generate, Photo Studio, and Image Clone. First of all, we're going to try the Photo Studio, and inside the Photo Studio here, you can type clothing and what dress your AI influencer should be wearing. And you can even define the background or the place. So in the clothing section, I'm going to type pink leather jacket, and the background will be indoor, and click on the smile button. If you don't want to make it smile, you can keep it as the default. In the post section, I would like to go with the random one, and the number of images will be 2. You can choose as many as you want, and the aspect ratio will be 1:1, because only these 2 aspect ratios work on the Instagram. I'm going to hit generate. So here we have the images. So this is the first image, look at that. You can see the skin texture, it looks really good. And the best thing is that we have the same character. It may look different in some cases because of the different poses and different lighting conditions, but the character will be the same, so don't worry about that. So you can try different clothing and different poses also. But let's say you're not getting any prompt ideas, or you are lazy, like me, and you don't want to specify any prompt in clothing. You can try the Autogenerate feature, and for that click on this Autogenerate. And here we just have to click on this Generate button, and this will automatically generate clothes with the random poses, and even add the location for that. And here we also have NSFW option, but I'm going to turn it off, you know. Okay, so here are the output results. You can see it automatically generated 7 different images with different poses, different environments, and different clothes. And in all of these images, the character looks similar. So if we look at this one, the quality is good in this image. So you can also try Photo Generate if you don't want to type any prompt. But let's say you have any pose, and if you want to copy the pose of any image, you also have that option. And for that, you have to click on this image clone, and here you have to upload the reference image. So let's say I'm going to try this image, and the number of images will be 4, and next we have the creativity slider. You can also play around with this one, but I would like to keep it default and hit generate. Okay, so these are the output images, and look at that. She's exactly matching the pose of the input image. Not only that, but the dress and the door color and floor as well. You can see everything looks similar, and if I have to pick one of the best images in all of them, I would like to go with the second image. Now, let's say you are running out of ideas, and if you want to find the viral images and want to regenerate those images, you also have that option, so all you have to do is click on this Insta feed. So here you can see we have multiple images. So, these are the most engaging images on Instagram right now. So if I scroll down, the list goes on. You can even click on the load bar, and this will give you some more images. So let's say I want to create a similar image to this one. I'm going to click on the Create Similar, and this will start generating the image. And if you want to find out your recreated image, you can click on your Creatives option. And here you can see right now this is in queue, so it can take some time. So these are the output results. And here you can see we have 2 different variations. One is the high definition, second one is the low definition. Here we have 2 options. You can download your images, and you can even add them to your gallery. So if you click on the Add to the Gallery, this will be added to your gallery, and you can find your gallery on the left side here. So if we look at this first image and look at that, if I zoom it in, the eyes are good, and even the background is looking similar. Even the dress has a similar pose. Everything is similar, and look at it how realistic it is. This is something crazy. Next, we have the option to generate the videos for our AI influencer. And for that, you have to click on this create video, and here we have the TikTok reface. So here we have our AI influencer, but if you want to upload your custom image, you can use the use custom face, and here you have to paste the link of the TikTok video and hit upload. Your AI influencer video will be ready in few minutes. So this is the all-in-one AI tool where you can generate the images inside of this one, and in the free plan, you get some credits daily. And if you are serious about the influences, you can purchase a premium plan right now. There is a 50% off, and you guys can use this coupon code HOLIDAY 2024, and you will get up to 50% off. The link is in the description below. Go ahead and try it yourself. So that's it from this video. I hope you guys learned something new, and if you guys did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more such video, I will see you in the next one.